Hey, what's up guys? In today's vlog, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to speed up your computer. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to optimize your computer's performance and get things done faster. The first thing you should do is clean up your computer's hard drive. Your hard drive gets filled up with temporary files, old downloads, and other clutter that slows down your system. To clean it up, you can use the built-in disk cleanup tool on Windows or third-party apps like CCleaner for Mac. Another way to speed up your computer is to disable programs that run in the background. These programs take up valuable resources, and you might not even be aware that they're running. To see which programs are running in the background, open the Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac. From there, you can disable the programs that you don't need. The third thing you can do is to uninstall programs that you don't use. These programs take up valuable space on your hard drive, and they might even run in the background without you knowing it. To uninstall programs on Windows, go to the Control Panel and select Programs and Features. On Mac, you can uninstall programs by dragging them to the trash. The fourth thing you can do is to adjust your computer's settings. For example, you can turn off visual effects like transparency and animations to speed up your computer. You can also adjust your power settings to prioritize performance over battery life. The fifth and final thing you can do is to upgrade your computer's hardware. This might not be an option for everyone, but upgrading your RAM or replacing your hard drive with an SSD can significantly improve your computer's performance. So there you have it, folks. These are some simple yet effective ways to speed up your computer. I hope you found this vlog helpful. If you have any other tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time. Thanks for checking out our latest YouTube video. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated on all our future videos. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest tips, tricks, and insights across a variety of topics. Plus, you'll be joining a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about learning and growth. So, don't wait, hit that subscribe button now and become part of our community. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more valuable content with you in the future.